Well, at the end of the day, I will abide by what the higher ups would decide on. But as a person and not representing anybody, it's I guess unfair for a human being to choose, to have the freedom to choose not only where his basketball will take him, but also for his higher education. I mean, because in that way, magdadalawang isip ang isang atleta or isang tao or isang bata na mag-iba ng desisyon. And at a very early age, you get them out of high school. They don't really know what kung ano gusto nila sa buhay. I mean, that's just me as a human being. Just like ako, when I came to college, I enrolled or I stayed on a course na after a few semesters, hindi pala yun ang gusto ko. So now, yun lang yung mawawala, which is really important. I think, ang sa akin is yung education. Yun yung, I think, what is being deprived of. Not, kasi magdadalawang isip ka eh. Again, at the end of the day, I will abide by the rules, but me as a human being, it's taking away the freedom of another human being to choose, where he what kind of life that he wants, because mababawas yung choice mo to get a degree eh. Again, that's just me as a person and not representing an institution. So para sa akin, it's unfair para sa isang bata na mawala ng freedom na pumili because of limitations na binigay sa akin.